Hey guys, so we're going to get started on making our blabbers, and we go to blabberize.com and we log in and click on the make button, and this is the screen that you will find. It says find a picture, so I'm going to click on browse because I do already have pictures on my computer that I have drawn. Let me scroll down and find my picture. There is my picture. Now I can rotate it. I don't need to rotate it, or I can use it. Yes, please. I want to use my picture. This is a picture that I drew, and I literally just took a picture of it with my camera and uploaded it. I emailed it to myself. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so you're uploading your artwork that you have made. It says select the area of the image you want to use. So I can zoom in a little bit, kind of center it up. I want it to look as neat and tidy as I possibly can. And then I click this arrow when I am done with that. So far, very simple. Okay, this is your mouth. Okay, so you really have to play with this, and I'm hoping that I can move it more to the center of my Christmas tree. Okay, for now, we're just going to leave this just like this, and you'll be able to see exactly what it is that a blabber does. And then it says, what kind of sound? So this means that I'm going to be recording from my microphone, or I'm going to upload something that I've already recorded, but I'm definitely just going to talk, and I'm going to record from my microphone. So I'm going to click on that button, and it says blabberize.com wants to use your microphone. Yes, I'm going to allow that because that is okay with me. Now, as you can see, when I talk and when I open my mouth, my Christmas tree is also talking, and my Christmas tree is also opening its mouth. And that, my friends, is what makes a blabber. Can my mouth be resized? Yes. Can it be turned to look a little differently? Yes. This mouth is perfect for my purposes today. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to record, and I believe that is this button. And here I go. Hello. I am a Christmas tree, and so you put a Christmas tree in your house, and you can put some stuff on it. Okay, so that's all. And I'm a really sad blabber because nobody cared enough about me to really make nice, neat artwork and make me be pretty. And that's why I have such a frowny mouth, because I'm just really sad and pitiful. Thank you. Okay, so you can see that is an example of a really sad and pitiful blabber. It really is, guys. That was pitiful. I drew this little sad Christmas tree in about 10 seconds with a pen. There's no color. There's no thought here. I just scribbled out a tree real quick, and it's really sad. And so my whole entire blabber is really sad. Plus the way that I was talking when I was recording for my blabber, that was really sad too, because I didn't even know what I was going to say. I wasn't prepared. I didn't talk about any of the things that we have talked about or that we've been researching, like what is the name of my country? Where is my country? What continent is my country a part of? What language is spoken? What people live there? What is the population? And that's just the beginning of our research. I really gave you nothing. You learned nothing. And so your blabber is here to teach, and that is the purpose of your blabber. Your blabber is to teach your classmates about your country, and how they celebrate Christmas, or if they even celebrate Christmas at all. I'm going to click that arrow. Yeah, listen to how terrible that sounds. That sounds awful. Okay, so it says make another scene and edit the scene just made. We're going to save it. Save or describe your blabber using a title. I'm going to say ugly blabber because I didn't even try to make it pretty. Sample blabber of what not to do for Christmas around the world. And I'm not going to do any tags, and I'm going to save it. Oh, please enter a few tags. Okay. Christmas around the world. Okay, so I'm going to save it. And this is being saved to my actual account. Okay, so here it is. You can try it out. And you know what? It just hit me. You guys can't even hear my blabber because you just can't. I want this on video. Are you sure you want a video of ugly blabber? Yeah, convert it now. Because what I'm going to be doing with your blabbers is you're going to be making videos and you're going to send me your blabber and I'm going to put them all together. So I'll be making us basically one collection of our Christmas around the world or holidays around the world blabbers. And so I've made a video. And guys, I just wanted to show you this. This is an example of what not to do because this is just super, super sad, but it's making a video. The most important thing is that you save your work. And what you also need to know is that you have the freedom to go back and do it again. If it's something that you're not happy with, go back and do it again. So it's done, and we'll get to that later. So we're going to go back here to make. Okay, I'm going back to make because now I want to give you an example of what you do need to do. Find a picture. I'm going to browse and I'm going to find this other picture that I made because I made two pictures. Here we go. Okay, and so I'm uploading my picture and you can see that it's on its side. And so I want to rotate it. Yep, I'm going to use it. And let me scroll down a little bit. Select the area of the image you want to use. Well, you know what? I want to use all of that. So I'm going to click that arrow. Now this is my mouth. And I believe with here you can, I haven't done a mouth in a long time. I haven't done a blabber in a long time. I used to make these, they're fun. I'm just going to leave the mouth there. But guys, you use all of these to manipulate and move and to resize and reshape your mouth. And there are actually YouTube videos on those as well that I can share with your parents. But I'm going to go ahead and move on. What kind of sound it's going to be recorded from my microphone. And you can see that there I am talking. I can sing and everything. You can sing too. So I'm going to record. This is going to be a much better example of what I would like for you to do. Hello, I am a Christmas tree, and I am from Dothan, Alabama. Now, Dothan is a city in the state of Alabama. We have more than 68,000 people who live in our city of Dothan, Alabama, in the state of Alabama, of course. And we are on the continent of, I shouldn't have started with that, guys. I'm messing up my own blabber. We are on the, in the country, the United States of America, and the United States of America can be found on the continent of North America. So guys, if I were not already 9 minutes into this video, I would have totally stopped because I made a mistake and I would have gone back and I would have redone my blabber so that it sounded good. And so to do that, you're going to just click on this X and you're going to start over your blabber. I can even do that now. What kind of sound? My microphone. Here I go. Ready? Hello, I am a happy Christmas tree, and I am from Dothan, Alabama. Dothan is a city with a population of over 68,000 people in the state of Alabama, in the country of the United States of America, and on the continent of North America. The language that is spoken in Dothan, Alabama, is English as well as Spanish. We do have a lot of different diverse people who live in Dothan, and there are several languages that are actually spoken here, while the most prevalent is English. The people that you can find living in Dothan are the Dothanites. Just normal, everyday people. But American people typically live in Dothan, Alabama. The holiday that we celebrate in Dothan, Alabama in the wintertime is typically Christmas. Now, that doesn't mean that everyone celebrates Christmas here, because we do have a lot of different religions that are represented in Dothan. But you will see lots and lots of lots and lots of Christmas trees. You see Christmas trees when you're out shopping. You see Christmas trees in the windows of homes and in people's yards, outdoor trees, indoor trees. And so a Christmas tree is definitely a very important symbol to the people of Dothan as they celebrate Christmas each winter. Okay, and then I have to press the red button again when I'm ready to stop. Y'all, I was just winging that. I didn't come up with a script. And so what you want to do when you're making your own blabber is you want to make sure that you do have a script, or you're just going to be kind of floundering along. You may have to do this 10 times to get the wording just right. So I'm going to click on my arrow. And then, of course, I can play it and check it out. But I'm going to go ahead and click OK, and I'm going to click Save, and I'm going to say Pretty Blabber. Because the thing is, you can tell Blabber example of what to do, and I'll say Christmas around the world. You can tell in the second drawing, I tried a lot harder. I mean, not that that was the greatest drawing of my life, but I definitely tried a whole lot harder on the second tree than I did on the first tree. And that is what is very important for all of us to do. We want to do our very best artwork. Drawing with a pencil, just kind of slopping something down on a piece of notebook paper, that's not okay. You know, slopping something down on a paper towel, that's not okay. Okay, you want to create your artwork, one piece of artwork, and guys, you want to do a good job. You can use colors, you can use markers, you can use colored pencils, you can use oil pastel, you can use paint, you can get jazzy and use sequins and glitter and feathers. I don't know. Have fun with it, but the key is to work to make something nice, not to just kind of scribble something out that took you all of 30 seconds. You know, you want to do a good job with this. You want to research your country, share your country. I have given you already in our Google Forms some very specific guidelines for your research, and we're going to continue because I will be looking for some very specific things as you share your country as we celebrate Christmas around the world. Good luck, guys. I'm very excited to see what you do.